Igbo Heritage Quiz number 6. Can you score 12 out of 15? Question number 1. In polygamous families, what is the first wife called? A. Ezenwai, B. Isinwai, C. Okenwai, D. Abalawai. Answer number 1, B. Isinwai. Question number 2. Who was the first Igbo woman social activist/politician? A. Christine Esen Igbokwe, B. Margaret Igbo, C. Virginia Itieba, or D. Mary Slessor? Answer number 2, B. Margaret Igbo. Question number 3. What is the oldest female child or first daughter called? A. Dede, B. Omalicha, C. Apunau, or D. Ada? Answer number 3, D. Ada. Question number 4. What is the oldest male child or first son called? A. Diokpa, B. Dinkpa, C. Diokpala or Diokpara, or D. Da? Answer number 4, C. Diokpara. Question number 5. Which two Igbo states share border with Benue State? A. Enugu and Anambra, B. Enugu and Ebonyi, C. Imo and Abia, or D. Abia and Ebonyi? Answer number 5, B. Enugu and Ebonyi. Question number 6. Complete this proverb. Egbe bello. A. Ụtụtụ ọma, B. Kachifo, C. Nnụnụ efelo, or D. Ugobello? Answer number 6, D. Ugobello. Question number 7. Abakaliki is famous for what type of farming? A. Corn, B. Rice, C. Cassava, D. Yam? Answer number 7, B. Rice. Question number 8. Who was the first female governor in Nigeria? A. Virginia Itieba, Anambra, B. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Delta, C. Genevieve Nnaji, Imo, D. Bianca Ono Ojukwu, Enugu? Answer 8, A. Virginia Itieba, Anambra. Question number 9. What Igbo town is known for Uzuyi Masquerade Festival? A. Arondizog, Imo State, B. Umoji, Anambra State, C. Uzuakoli, Abia State, or D. Onichubo, Delta State? Answer number 9, B. Umoji, Anambra State. Question number 10. What industry is Nkalago in Ebonyi State famous for? A. Coal, B. Fishing, C. Lumber, or D. Cement? Answer number 10, D. Cement. Question number 11. Which of these countries has indigenous Igbo population? A. Senegal, B. Togo, C. Benin, or D. Equatorial Guinea? Answer number 11, D. Equatorial Guinea. Question number 12. Which of these countries did not help Biafra during the Civil War? A. Gabon, B. Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast, C. Britain, or D. Israel? Answer number 12, C. Britain. Question number 13. In which American state did Igbo slaves revolt in 1790 and again in 1811? A. Georgia, B. Virginia, C. Louisiana, or D. South Carolina? Answer number 13, C. Louisiana. Question number 14. Igbo language and culture features prominently in which of these countries? A. Bahamas, B. Jamaica, C. Haiti, or D. Cuba? Answer number 14, B. Jamaica. Question number 15. After a woman gives birth, who among these cannot perform the omugwo? A. Her priest, B. Her mother, C. Her grandmother, or D. Any elderly female relative? Answer number 15, A. Her priest. How did you do? Don't worry, keep learning. No one knows everything. As long as you are alive, learning continues.